What in the tarnation do we got going on here? Putting a step deck on ramps in a dock door. What has the world come to? That could explain the weather. That'll be interesting, but getting some sort of tractors today, yes sir. Head for Ohio. Get out there. Hopefully get them all off tomorrow. Got 3 drops in Ohio. Hopefully give me something put on tomorrow, but I doubt it. It'll be Saturday or Monday. Boogie back home for gobbler day. Well, yeah. I figured we'd be backing up to an outdoor ramp and loading her like normal, but nope, it's right straight out the building. That's the big tractor hatching factory. That's what they do. They hatch all them tractors up in there, and that's the output door. Just boom, boom, boom. Alrighty, bye-bye now. And there it is, fellas. We got it all on, tied down.
In half a mile,
Good to
turn
go.
right toward Homestead Lane.
Oh, you just can't leave me alone. And that's it. Off to Ohio we go. Have to figure out where we're going to get some petro at here. Probably somewhere in Missouri, I reckon. Anyhow, off we go. Catch you later. Bye-bye now.